Hello students, this is Manisha Tamar on my YouTube channel Chemistry for All Exams, and today we will discuss quick revision of chemical reaction and equations. I have already discussed this chapter in detail, but here we will doing just quick revision with important points and facts. So chemical reaction and equations, it's going first chemical reaction. Whenever a chemical change occur, we can say that is called chemical reaction. Like food gets digest in our body, rusting of iron. Chemical equation, a chemical reaction can expressed symbolically by using chemical equations. For example, if we are burn magnesium with oxygen, it gives magnesium hydroxide. We can write it like a equation: magnesium metal plus oxygen molecule gives magnesium oxide molecule. We can observe or recognize a chemical reaction by observing change in taste, color, or by evolution of gas, or by change in temperature. We can find different types of changes during the chemical reaction, like change in state, change in color, evolution of gases like H2O. Physical state of the reactant and products are mentioned to make chemical reaction more informative. We use for gas G, for liquid L, and for solid S, and for aqueous we are using AQ. Balancing equation, we balance the chemical equation so that no of number of atoms of each element involved in the reaction remain same at the reactant and product side. Yeah, here we will discuss Fe. If react with water, it gives ferric oxide plus H2. We can write that it is a balanced equation or not. You just you find it and balance this equation with the help of some numbers adding by iron side or water side. So here 3Fe plus 4H2O gas gives Fe2O3 4 plus 4H2 gas. This is a chemical balanced reaction. Now we will explain some types of chemical reaction. First type is chemical reaction, a combination reaction. The reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a new single substance, that is called combination reaction. For example, you are seeing calcium oxide when react with water. Uh, Calcium oxide is called quicklime, and it reacts with water. Here lime is wrong. This is calcium hydroxide. It gives calcium hydroxide, which is called slacked lime. Now slacked lime is used for the whitewash walls. It reacts with carbon dioxide and calcium carbonate and give a shiny finish to the wall. Calcium hydroxide when react with CO2, it gives calcium carbonate plus water. Now burning of coal, carbon burn with oxygen molecule, it gives carbon dioxide plus heat plus light. Formation of water when H2 gas is react with oxygen gas, it gives water molecule which is a liquid. Now we'll discuss exothermic reaction, reactions in which heat is released along with the formation of products, that is called exothermic reaction. For example, when methane CH4 is called methane gas combust in the presence of oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide and water molecule. Respiration is also an exothermic reaction because we liberate some heat during the process of respiration. Decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is also an exothermic reaction because they also liberate some amount of heat. Decomposition reaction, the reactions in which a single substance decomposed to give two or more substances, that is called decomposition reaction, and they are of three types: thermal decomposition, which takes place in the presence of heat, that is called thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition, when decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, that's ferrous sulfate when heated, it gives ferric oxide plus SO2 plus SO3. Ferrous sulfate gives us ferric oxide, means green color is converted into reddish brown color. Now calcium carbonate, when heated, it gives calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. And lead nitrate white color की जो होती है, when it reacted it gives lead oxide of brown color and nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. Now electrolytic decomposition, or when a decomposition reaction is carried out by the electric current, that is called electrolytic decomposition. Here you can see in the diagram. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल देखिए, व्हेन वाटर इलेक्ट्रिक करंट, वाटर में इलेक्ट्रिक करंट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, इट गिव्स ऑक्सीजन एंड hydrogen molecule. You can see it with the help of this container. There is two electrode, one is oxygen, other is hydrogen, and there is plastic mug in which both electrodes are put here, and this container is filled with water, and oxygen part is called anode and hydrogen part is called cathode. And we are put a switch, and all these circuit current connected with the help of 6-volt battery. What we will observe next reaction, photolytic decomposition. When the decomposition reaction is carried out by the sunlight, that is called photolytic decomposition. For example, if silver chloride, which is a white color solution, sunlight के presence में grey color का हो जाता है, silver bromide behaves as सनलाइट की प्रेजेंस में Ag और Br2 में ब्रेक हो जाता है, एंड इट इज़ यूज इन ब्लैक एंड वाइट फोटोग्राफी. नाउ एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन, द reactions which requires energy in the form of heat, light or electricity are called endothermic reaction. For example, barium hydroxide, when react with ammonium chloride, it gives barium chloride plus ammonium hydroxide. It is an example of exothermic reaction as well as double displacement reaction in which one substitute is replaced by another is called displacement reaction. Here calcium, when iron react with copper sulfate, it gives ferrous sulfate plus copper. You can see here diagram I have already discussed in the laboratory. The nail becomes brownish in color and the blue color of copper sulfate solution fade. Other examples are zinc copper sulfate से react करता है, it gives zinc sulfate plus copper. And now lead, when react with CuCl2, it gives PbCl2 plus copper. And zinc and lead are more reactive elements than copper. They displace copper from its compound. Now double displacement reaction, the reactions in which two different atoms or groups or of atoms are mutually exchanged. For example, when sodium sulfate react with barium chloride, it gives barium sulfate plus sodium chloride, means here exchange of ion takes place from sodium and between sodium and barium. A white substance is formed due to above reaction. The insoluble substance is called precipitate. Sometimes you have seen some substances when dissolved in water they give precipitate, means ऐसा precipitate जो कि water में soluble है. Suppose करो you have mixed sand in water, that is called a colloid, this precipitate medium. Precipitation reaction, a reaction that produces a precipitate is called precipitation reaction. For example, when lead nitrate is react with potassium iodide, it gives lead iodide aqueous plus 2KNO3 यानी कि पोटेशियम नाइट्रेट. ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन क्या होती है? गेन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, हाइड्रोजन इज कॉल्ड ऑक्सीडेशन. If copper react with oxygen, it gives copper oxide, that means it is good for us. When copper is heated, a black color appears. If the copper oxide is react with hydrogen gas, then again Cu becomes brown on as reverse reaction takes place. Cuprous oxide, when react with H2, it gives copper plus H2O. Reduction is the loss of oxygen and gain of electron. Redox reactions, the reaction in which one reactant gets oxidized while other गेट रिड्यूस्ड। पहला ऑक्सीडाइज होता है। अगर कॉपर ऑक्साइड से कॉपर देखें तो यहाँ पे देर इज लॉस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, दैट्स वाई इट इज कॉल्ड loss of oxygen, it is called reduction. And here H2 is converted in water, means addition of oxygen is also called oxidation reaction. When zinc oxide react with carbon, it gives zinc plus carbon monoxide and MnO2. When react with HCl, it gives MnCl2 plus water plus chlorine gas is liberated. Now a very simple topic, we have discussed this in depth. Corrosion: when a metal is attached by substances around it such as moisture, acids, etc. Reddish brown coating on iron, black coating on silver. Uh, Rancidity: when fats and oils are oxidized, they become rancid and their smell and taste changes. Antioxidants are added to food containing fast and oily. So my dear student, if you like this video, comment, share and subscribe my channel. We will discuss all the questions in our next video which are related to NCERT. So best of luck student, learn and do all the videos. Thank you so much.